Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and predicting the gold XAUUSD, and in second part Bitcoin BTCUSD. So if you do like my analysis and prediction, do like, share and comment, and do consider subscribing in order to motivate me to make this kind of content. Let's begin. On an 4-hourly chart, we have seen that the gold has breaking out an ascending channel, for which I was positive on my prediction published on Saturday, in which I have said that the gold has a potential to break out this channel which was being formed. Thus I took and buy some around 1730. Currently I am in profits. Thus we can also see another channel or the other resistance target which can be targeted by the gold after the breakout of this resistance zone, this short-term resistance zone. As I will show you on daily chart, we can draw an channel which would be something like this. It's an resistance zone, long-term resistance zone. The gold has been respecting the resistance zone. Now I will draw the support zone for XAUUSD. We are currently on a 1-day chart. Here we can see that the gold has bounces off, testing the resistance support, testing the resistance support. Now what I am expecting the gold, which current price is some around 1753, is to test the upper resistance which is around 1781 till around 1795. After testing this resistance, we can expect gold for a change in bullish momentum towards an bearish momentum, then targeting the support. The move can be somehow like this. It can be like this, gold testing the resistance zone. So the buy position on where I have taken around 1730 to my take profit for that is some around 1780, which I have told our subscribers or our viewers in my previous follow-up. Thus I would be taking my profit some around 1780 and taking an short position after testing an zone, after testing the resistance zone with the TP of some around 1725. It would be, and the SL would be just placed above the resistance zone. If in case that the gold break the resistance zone, so my SL is hit and my risk is limited within greater reward. Thus this trade will provide us a risk to reward of 1:2.39, around 2.5 reward to 1% risk. Now coming on in 2-hourly chart, we can also see another channel being formed by gold. It would be, however, I do not trade on an 2-hourly or a lower time frame. My trades are always I always take my trades on an higher time frame such as 4 hourly or an daily. Here we can draw a short term resistance line and short term support line. I have trailed my profit. I have trailed my stop loss some around placed at 1745 in case the momentum has shift, in case the bullish momentum of XAUUSD is shift towards the bearish momentum. However, what I am seeing is that the market is now testing the support and there will be a bounce of above testing the resistance zone. Now coming on the fundamentals, due to which the gold market has done a bullish breakout upwards by breaking a symmetrical triangle. It is due to the US Federal Reserve's Treasury and lawmakers approving the distribution of trillions of dollars of stimulus to aid the recovery of the world's largest economy from COVID-19. Okay, on the other hand, gold futures poised to test the 1780 resistance next on this way to the 1800 mark. Gold continues to rise as grim milestones are reached with US economic data. Along with escalating tension between US and China would continue to support higher gold prices. Thus, now coming on and now coming on in conclusion is that I am expecting the market to test the support and bounces off from this level towards the resistance zone. However, I have trailed my profit. If there is a breakout from this resistance or from this support zone, we can take a short position with a small stop loss just placed above the support zone. Now coming on a Bitcoin. We are currently on 4 hourly chart for Bitcoin. We can expect a test towards the support zone for the Bitcoin and then bounce off from there as the market is currently showing. We can see that the market has recently taken the support of the support zone and bounces off. Thus, a long position can be created on the Bitcoin with a stop loss just placed below the support zone as shown. With a take profit just placed lower the recent higher high. This trade will provide us a risk to reward of 1:2. That's a great risk to reward. Here on in Bitcoin, we can see a resistance zone which has been recently tested by Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin is bouncing off that resistance zone, which is some around 9,000, starting from a 9,790 and ending up at 9,900, approx around 10,000. We here see an ascending triangle being formed as the market is continuously taking the support of this trend line and bouncing off, testing the resistance, then taking the support of trend line, bouncing off, then taking the support of the trend line. Thus, a long position can be created with a take profit just placed here, just placed below the some around 9,800. However, if we see a 4 hourly candle being closed some around here, or there is a breakout through the resistance zone, thus we can also go along with the stop loss and TP of some around within a stop loss just placed below the resistance, and the TP would be placed just here. This trade will provide us a risk to reward of 1:2. Now the summary for the Bitcoin, or the trade which a potential trade which could be taken on Bitcoin, is that we should go long right now within TP of some around between the zone. However, we can also trail our stop loss if we aren't comfortable taking the position after the breakout, after an above breakout. However, according to me, a long position should be created within take profit of some around the between the range, and if there we see an breakout of an daily or an 4-hourly, thus another long position can be created, and with the TP and SL as shown. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below to tell me whether do you agree or disagree with my analysis, and do consider subscribing.